Hey there, this is June from Zeplin. Welcome back to another episode of Zeplin Shorts. In this video, we'll be talking about some keyboard shortcuts for all our Windows users. Once you're in a project, you can easily toggle between the Styleguide section by using the keyboard shortcut Alt-S and toggle back to the dashboard section by pressing Alt-A. Let's click into a screen. To move between screens, you can use the arrow keys. If you want to quickly jump to a different screen in this project, you can press Alt-J. If you wear glasses like me, you can zoom into the screen by pressing Alt+ and zoom out by pressing Alt-. If you want to go back to the actual screen size, you can press Alt-0. You can add tags to screens to locate and filter the design you want to see. To manage all the tags on the screen, you can press Alt-T. It's tough to search through a lot of screens in your dashboard, so you can press Ctrl F to quickly search a specific screen. When you set your layout grids in Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD, or Photoshop, Zeplin will automatically display them in your web projects. Now, let's look at a screen with a grid. To show and hide the screen grid, you can press Alt-G. Lastly, you can navigate between list items by using the up and down arrow keys. For instance, with the versions panel, every version of artboards you export to Zeplin will be stored separately with commit messages. Here, we can quickly move between different versions using the up and down keys. That's it for this Zeplin short series on keyboard shortcuts. If you found the series helpful, subscribe below and write in the comments what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next Zeplin short.